Good morning from Eastern Tennessee. The lawnmower was not starting, it was just clicking. Every time you try to engage the starter, what I've done the last couple times is jump the solenoid with the screwdriver, and Amazon has a part, so I'm going to swap it out. This is the new part. That's the old one. Were 3/8, and these have been 7/16. This is the other wire that goes down to the starter. This one's a 7/16 also. On here. This became my starter. Turn the key on and bump across, and the starter would automatically turn over. I know a lot of the old Fords had solenoids like that. The batteries are 3/8 also. So you clean them up. Tight, but don't strip them. Put all your boots back in place. This is the old part. This is the Amazon box it came in. And that's the part I ordered. This is a snapper. I know they're out of business now, but this is a 360Z. It says on it somewhere. I just don't remember where it had said it. Somewhere on there. And I've got I don't know what it says. 670 hours. Every 50 hours I change the oil, the filter. It's all pretty easy. It's got a drain hose that takes it out. Snapper's always been good to me. If you're in a hilly area like I'm here in Eastern Tennessee, I would recommend just put the seat all the way forward, just so you have more weight towards the front, so you don't flip over backwards when you start to go up a hill. Let me get the rest of these parts out. Now for the test. And no click, got starter. Thanks for watching.